Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we'll be giving a general introduction to the analytical client interface of PolyAnalyst. If you're new to the software, this is a great opportunity to quickly familiarize yourself with building a data analysis workflow using the analytical client. Let's begin at the top left of the page with the main menu. This menu allows you to switch between applications or projects and configure user or project settings. Moving to the top of the interface, you'll find the navigation bar. From left to right, it displays the project name, which you can edit here, and the path of the current page. The navigation path always starts from the root page. If your project has group nodes, like this, you can double-click to enter a group node page, and the navigation bar will guide you back to the parent page when needed. Let's talk more about the group nodes. Sometimes, only a portion of the workflow is grouped for organizational purposes. For example, if you want to group just these two nodes, select them, right-click, and choose the group option. In this group node page, you'll see an incoming connection point and an outgoing connection point, as these nodes interact with others on the parent page. You can double-click either point to return to the parent page. If you want to move the nodes back to here, just right-click and select Ungroup. Next, in the top right corner, you'll find the Task Management panel. This panel offers data lineage tracking, which helps monitor data movement and transformation throughout the project. If a node fails to execute, you can see which node it is and view the error message. And clicking on the task will locate the node and bring you directly to it. You can also expand, collapse, or pin the panel view using these buttons. Now, let's move back to the left side of the interface. The node palette shows every available node under 7 categories, such as text analysis and visualization. For some categories, there's an additional filter on the right to help narrow down your choices. The node palette also includes a search function if you can't find the node you're looking for. In addition to the node palette, you might sometimes need to check the project tree for an overview of the nodes you've created in your project. Double-clicking any node in the project tree will take you directly to its location in the flowchart. When your workflow becomes too complex, you can use the mini-map here to navigate the page. The icon at the bottom of the screen leads you to the web report application, which we cover in another tutorial series. The last and largest section of the page is the flowchart canvas. There are 3 ways to create a new node. Double-click on the flowchart and select a node. Drag an arrow from an existing node to create a link and a new node, or drag a node directly from the node palette. Links between nodes can be easily removed and reattached. But remember that you'll need to re-execute this part of the workflow afterward. By right-clicking on any blank space in the flowchart, you can access flowchart settings. Or you can add annotations, which allows you to customize notes or explanations for specific parts of the workflow. You can format the text, change background colors, add images, and more. Once your annotation is complete, you can move it freely around the flowchart. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial for the analytical client interface. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.